Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. This is just a quick video to show you a new digital kit that I have in my shop. It is fall related, fall images. It's a set of 8 5x4 journal cards that you can use them as journal cards or pockets, whatever you would like. And so you get a set of 8. They print out, sorry for the glare, they print out on 8.5 by 11, and they're vintage with little fall poems on the side. And this one I made blank so that you could put your own journaling in it. One of the things I wanted to show you, and again, I'm sorry for the glare, but I did want to show you the difference too between printing on gloss or semi-gloss paper and printing on regular copy paper. Do you see the difference in the vibrancy of the color? This is copy paper. This is actual glossy. I printed on this by accident. I usually use semi-gloss. But when you print on regular copy paper, the ink sinks into the paper as opposed to sitting on top of the paper. And when you use a semi-gloss, your colors are so much more vibrant. You can just see the difference here between the two ones on the bottom with the corn. It's a huge difference. So I just wanted to let you know about that. But so you get two 8.5 by 11 sheets. It's a small kit, and they cut out really easily. They look very nice in a junk journal as a pocket, and you can also print them any size you want. They come as JPEGs. So print them in whatever size you want, but if you affix them into your journal, put tape on 3 sides, and you have a cute little pocket there. Or you know what to do with them. You can put them on the side and have a tuck spot. But one of the things I did with this one is I mounted it to watercolor paper and tore the edges and then inked them up. And then on my sewing machine, I have these leaves. If you have one of those just standard Brothers that you get at Walmart, one of those sewing machines, it should have these leaves on there. I ran out of thread up there, so it's a little messy, but I think it looks incredible. I'm really, really very happy with it. It's a little too wide for this journal, but you can see just how beautiful it would look in a journal. So that's one idea of what you can do with it. So you can head over to the shop now and grab this kit, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.